Let's talk eye cream. The AM Eyelid Gel is a water-based eye cream packed with botanical actives and effective concentrations. In the morning, apply a thin layer under the eye area and orbital bone. This eye cream is hydrating and helps brighten while softening the appearance of dark circles. The PM Butter is a super rich oil-based eye product made to protect the eye area while you sleep. The eyelid skin is 4 times thinner than the face and delicate. At nighttime, apply the PM Butter under the eye area and orbital bone. This is packed with ceramides and fatty acids to keep the eye area protected while you sleep. Or you can always try making your own perfect mix by using both eye creams. Feeling a bit dry? Add more PM Butter. These work in perfect harmony to target fine lines, dark circles, and puffy eyelids. You can apply to the under eye area and orbital bone. The focused eye roller is the perfect tool for your routine and fits with the anatomy of our orbital bone. It can be used at room temperature, hot or cold, to fit your every eye need.